Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to start your Honda Accord with the remote. First, make sure your vehicle is securely locked. You'll want to be within about 50 feet of your car for the remote start signal to work effectively. Begin by pressing the lock button on your key fob one time. Then, immediately press and hold the remote start button for approximately 3 to 5 seconds until the engine starts. Once the engine starts, you'll notice the parking lights flash and then stay illuminated, confirming a successful remote start. Your Honda Accord's engine will run for a period of 10 minutes. If you need more time, you can extend this by repeating the remote start process within those first 10 minutes. When you are ready to drive, simply unlock the doors and enter the vehicle. To drive your Honda Accord after a remote start, first insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. Next, press the brake pedal firmly. This action will disengage the remote start system, but the engine will continue running smoothly. You can then shift into drive and begin your journey. Remember, for safety, remote start will not activate if the hood is open or any door is not fully closed. If your remote start isn't working, there are a few things to check. First, ensure your fuel tank is at least 1/4 full. The system also won't engage if the check engine light is illuminated. Double-check that all doors, the hood, and the trunk are securely closed. If you notice a reduced range for your remote start, it might be time to replace the battery in your key fob.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.